We're now looking at perpetuities. Perpetuities are perpetual. What does perpetual mean? Perpetual means that they go on and on forever. So a perpetuity is a type of annuity. When we first looked at annuities, we talked about annuities that ran out because the payments were greater than the interest earned. We talked about annuities where the interest equaled the payment. That is what a perpetuity is. So you will see the sentence which says, the payments received by the investor are equal to the interest earned. Therefore, the balance does not decrease. In other words, we looked at investing $10,000 at 10% per annum. If we were only going to adjust once a year, then the $10,000 plus the 10% per annum, 10% of 10,000 is 1,000, would come to $11,000. If you then gave a payment of $1,000, that payment is equal to the interest earned, then you would be back to $10,000, the place where you started off with. Continuing on with that and repeating that year after year after year, there would be no change to the principal that you had in there. Hence, it will go on forever. So in the previous example, we looked at Claudio with an annuity. And in that annuity, he was being paid $1,400. But the interest he was earning was a lot less than the $1,400, which meant that the balance of his annuity was decreasing. What would happen if the payments that Claudio received were $270? The clue is the first quarter. His payment received was $1,400. The interest earned was $270. The difference between those two, $1,130, was the amount that the principal was then reduced. If Claudio was to only receive a payment of $270, so instead of $1,400, it was $270. That means he's going to get a payment of $270. That is the same as the interest earned that quarter. The difference between those two is zero, so the principal will not be reduced at all. It will stay at $15,000. What does that mean? It means that it is now a perpetuity. It will go on forever.